Hi guys, here we've got Apple iPhone and let me show you how to add new folder in your gallery. So at first, just open Photos and then click on plus icon in left upper corner. And here you will notice two options, so obviously just pick the second one, which is new folder. And just name it, so let me enter, for example, family. And tap on save. And as you can see here, you've got this brand new folder. Then you can open it and add some pictures, some photos. Just tap on plus then and pick either album folder and so on. You can customize it as only you wish. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily create a new folder. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.